Let's go back to that story where the Assistant Central Member of Parliament, Kennedy Agyapong, has petitioned Chief Justice Kwesi Nyaboa, alleging that the judge hearing his contempt case will be biased if he proceeds with it. He therefore wants the case to be halted. The legislator risks a possible jail term or fine should he be found guilty of contempt. Now, High Court Judge Amos Wuni dragged the MP before him, demanding that he justifies why he should not be severely punished for comments made regarding a pending case. The court seems to amount to contempt. Now, Mr. Agyapong's lawyers have since taken the matter to the Chief Justice, as well as filing another application asking that Justice Wuni is restrained from hearing the matter. Joseph Akable has joined us with more. Joe, explain to us the basis of this bias claim the MP is making.
And so according to the MP, at the last date, that was last week Friday, they informed the judge that he had filed an application at the Supreme Court challenging his jurisdiction to hear the matter because he's not the judge that Mr. Agyapong was referring to. And they said the judge did indicate that he's going to proceed with the matter and actually give them more time to file additional arguments to convince him. And so they hold the view that as it stands, the judge has taken a position on the matter that he does have the power to proceed, even though they say he does not have the power. And so they say that should he be allowed to proceed with the matter, it will amount to a prejudice and a bias against their case. And so they sent a petition to the Chief Justice on the matter, asking that he intervene and get the judge to halt hearing the matter.
Now, Joseph, we know the matter was to be heard today. What transpired?
And so after they had informed the judge of this particular petition they had filed and this request that they've made at the High Court, the judge said he's fortified in the legal position that nothing bars him currently from proceeding with the matter. As it stands, no higher court than him has told him not to proceed with the matter, so nothing stops him from proceeding. And so they proceeded to read the charge against Mr. Agyapong and asked him to state his plea. He pleaded not guilty to the contempt charge against him, after which the video recording was played in open court. And in that recording, you hear him use the words stupid, foolish, among other words against a justice of the court. And so after the recording had been played, the lawyers did ask for time, as they had indicated again, that they want a copy of the audio recording to respond directly to it. And so the case has been adjourned to Monday, and the business for the day is that Mr. Agyapong's lawyers are to respond to the case against him, i.e. to explain whether or not the video recording that was played, the words that were uttered in it, whether it amounts to contempt or not. If they think it does not amount to contempt, for which is pleading not guilty, they have to lead evidence and justify why it does not amount to contempt.
Tell me about the demeanor of Kennedy Agyapong today.
He was calm all through proceedings, and should I say, unfortunately, for the wearing of the mask, it's very difficult to read people from just their eyes. But the courtroom was, there was deafening silence when the video recording was played on the loudspeakers, to the extent that at the point it could even be heard by those who were outside the courtroom and in the corridors. So they had to even minimize the volume a bit, but it was quite more or less that of anxiety and people looking forward to what exactly will happen. Heavy security presence here, right from the court premises itself to the front of the entrance, all the way to the law court complex, the compound. Lots of policemen all coming in here to provide security here.
Thank you, Joseph.